This is Falomon life and direct. Ikoyi Falomon Bodilo, number 25, Tinubu House. See what he's doing. Selling our people are selling their future to collect 1,000 naira. See them. See how they queue. Anybody that collects 1,000 will come out. 1,000 will come out. Tomorrow they will say Nigeria is not good. Can you see? See them selling Nigeria. Selling our future for 1,000 naira. Tinubu wife. Tinubu no go better for you. Peter Obi, you have to come out. Whether Tinubu like it or not. Peter Obi must win. See them. Useless people. Hungry people. For 1,000. See the ones wey don collect for 1,000. See the ones wey still dey on queue for 1,000. This life no balance at all, but all we do is say we go survive.